Did you hear about the claustrophobic sailor? He just needed some room to breathe. But on a cruise ship, you'll find there's plenty of space and more. Today, we're diving into the 7 cruise values that are worth every penny. Value number 1, prepaid gratuities. Rather than fumbling with cash or calculating tips during your vacation, prepaying gratuities streamlines the process. It ensures hard-working crew members receive their well-deserved tips, and you can relax knowing it's taken care of. Next, bottled water packages. Hydration is key, especially when you're soaking up the sun on deck. A bottled water package guarantees a steady supply of chilled water without the shock of a hefty bill at the end of your trip. Third, coffee packages. If you're a caffeine aficionado, this one's for you. With a coffee package, you can indulge in your daily latte, cappuccino, or espresso shots without a second thought about the cost. Value number 4, pre-purchased shore excursions. These offer a hassle-free way to explore the ports of call. By booking in advance, you secure your spot on popular tours and activities, avoiding the risk of them being sold out. Fifth, Wi-Fi packages. Staying connected at sea can be costly, but a Wi-Fi package can make it affordable. Whether you need to check emails, update your social media, or call home, a Wi-Fi package has you covered. On to number 6, specialty restaurant reservations. Cruise ships are renowned for their culinary experiences. By reserving spots at specialty restaurants, you can enjoy gourmet meals that transport your taste buds around the world. And finally, onboard activities. From spa sessions to fitness classes, these add-ons enhance your cruise experience. They provide a variety of entertainment options that cater to different interests and preferences. So, there you have it, the 7 cruise values that can elevate your vacation from good to great. It's not just about getting your sea legs, but making the most of your journey on the high seas. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this video helpful and want to hear more tips and tricks about cruising and other travel adventures, do hit that subscribe button. Stay shipshape, and until next time, bon voyage!